Looking for a free VPN for macOS? Most VPN providers have big claims, so sorting through which ones are trustworthy and which ones you should avoid can be a little confusing. Today I'll show you my top free VPN for macOS options, including their security measures, privacy policies, and extra features. And if you want to stay up to date on the latest VPNs out there and more free recommendations, be sure to hit that subscribe button. Alright, so my first provider, AtlasVPN, is actually one of the fastest free VPN for MacBook options on the market thanks to its Wireguard tunneling protocols. As you can see during my speed tests, AtlasVPN actually showed speeds close to that of a paid VPN. There's access to servers in only 3 locations, however I did find it worked best when connected to a server that's closest to my own location. And yeah, while free server locations is extremely limited, I really appreciate that they offer 2 simultaneous connections, unlike most VPNs who limit their users at 1. Now of course, when searching for the best free VPN options available, security and privacy are the most important factors. AtlasVPN is based in the US, which unfortunately means they're in the Five Eyes Alliance. Despite this, they offer a strict no-logs policy, which means they can't store my data, and not even the provider themselves can see my online activity. This is an absolute must-have for me when looking for a free VPN for Mac. In addition to that, Atlas has an advanced encryption standard, which basically puts a protective filter between my device and my online destination. It also comes with a useful kill switch, which helps to avoid exposing my online data while browsing and any connection drops that might occur. Lastly, the IP and DNS leak protection will keep online activity concealed and for my eyes only. At the end of the day, AtlasVPN's free plan definitely covers all the essential bases when trying to find the best VPN for Mac. However, it does miss out on some of the great features the premium plan offers, such as streaming optimized servers, 24/7 support, and the safe browse feature. And since free VPNs are universally limited, if you do want to have more functionality, be sure to check out the exclusive VPN for Mac deals I've left in the description box down below. So now that I've covered how secure AtlasVPN is, you're probably wondering, well, what about torrenting and streaming? Well, despite being able to torrent easily enough with the free version and unblock a few geo-blocked libraries, the data cap gets old quickly. 5 GB is just about enough for light browsing and not a whole lot else. If a monthly data cap isn't suitable for your VPN for macOS needs, then my next provider, Proton VPN, does actually offer unlimited data. While that's a great inclusion, I found that their speeds definitely are not as impressive as Atlas's, so browsing was a bit more sluggish, albeit still manageable. And while AtlasVPN offers 2 simultaneous connections to be used at once, Proton limits users to just 1. Though that's pretty standard practice for a free VPN. Again, their servers were offered in 3 locations worldwide, which is quite limited in comparison to the premium plan, but is definitely enough for short-term use. The thing I was the most disappointed in, though, was that Proton wasn't able to stream or torrent any media at all. So if torrenting is a must-have when searching for a VPN for Mac free of charge, Atlas is more of a suitable option for you. Now, while Proton VPN may be a bit more limited than AtlasVPN as far as features go, and it still uses the less modern connection protocol OpenVPN, at least it does still include the useful kill switch tool. I do wish that either torrenting or a few more security features were offered. However, if you're just trying to find a free VPN for macOS protection, this is still a great place to start. Now, the most impressive thing about my third provider, Winscribe, is that they actually offer servers in 11 different locations. That's by far the most of any free VPN for Mac I've seen. The free version technically only includes 2 GB data per month, and devices are limited to just 1. Yet if you're willing to take the extra step of confirming your email address, Proton VPN will bump you up to 10 GB plus unlimited device connections. Winscribe also includes a kill switch and high-quality encryption, though it trumps Proton with its updated Wireguard protocol. And though I wasn't able to stream or torrent with Winscribe, the fact they have all of the inclusions above, plus their speeds were consistent in all my testing, still makes them one of the best free VPN for MacBook options available. When choosing a free VPN, macOS users need to find one that best suits their individual needs. If high speeds and torrenting are must-haves on your list, then AtlasVPN is a great option. Having said that, if you need unlimited data, then Proton is a better choice as it doesn't have any limitations. Or if you would like to avoid the limitation of a free VPN altogether, check out the exclusive deals for the premium versions that I've left in the descriptions down below. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one.